Selling on Amazon is quite tough. You have to know a lot of things to do so. But the first thing that you need to know is what are the products that you can sell in Amazon to earn the most profit out of it. Let's discuss the same in this video, and make sure you watch the video till the end and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. So before knowing what are the best products, you must know how to find the best products to sell on Amazon. So let's go to my laptop screen. Search Amazon best sellers and go to their official website. Here you can see products of different categories that are the best sellers in their categories. Now, I would suggest you to go for the new and hot items. As here the competition will be comparatively low and you can easily penetrate the market and earn profit. Now let's see some examples of the product that are doing good. Number 1. Resistance band. It is one of the most searched product on Amazon and you can easily buy and sell it on Amazon. The key thing to remember before selling resistance band is you have to get the quality of the product right, because these are the products that get more sales by referrals, and this will happen when your product quality is good in the market. Let's move to our second category of products. Number 2. Children products. This category of product is also most searched and most bought. This category includes baby products like baby healthcare, toys, and different other products, baby clothes and different other products, right? Also, in this product niche, you can set your profit margin much higher than the other product categories. You just have to keep in mind the quality of the baby products and the necessary guidelines issued by the government. The last but not the least, number 3. Beauty and personal grooming products. This niche will have the best sale that you can have in any category, because everyone is concerned on how they look or what they use is hygienic or not, and if you can penetrate this market, no one can stop you to become a successful Amazon seller. You just have to give the product at low cost and good quality. Once they get used to your product and you build a brand name for your product, you will earn lots of profit. So these are the top 3 products that you can sell on Amazon and begin your journey as an online successful e-commerce trader. And if you are starting your journey as an e-commerce seller, do subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you. Bye.